Hey guys, Dave Johnson with City Motors here. Here is our 2013 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. This is the top of the line Sahara package. So it's going to have a lot of extras. You're going to have your nice near new BFG ATs, which is my pick. When I was running Jeeps, I'd always run BFG ATs. Best tire you can put on there. You do get your winch there. Of course, running boards. This one does have the hard top, which comes off in three pieces. You can see top and front that will come off and stow in the back, or you can take your whole back piece off as well. You have your fuel wheels, which are very nice. Up front here, you can see it's very clean. In the back, again, very clean. This one does have your quadra-track mats. You do have your Jeep handles. Back here, again, matching fifth fuel wheel there. This opens up. You see you have a storage wrap here. Again, quadra-track mat in the back. Infinity factory sub. I love how they have the hardened plastic here, which is going to make it really durable and stand up to what you can throw at it. You do have your 60/40 folding split rear seats. You can see a full pictorial of that completely laid down at citymotors.net. Again, tons of room here. Grabbing it on that side as well. Up front here, you're going to have your pillar switches for your fog lamps. Another grab handle there. Height adjustable seat. Again, Sahara is going to give you that embroidered seat that you can only get in Sahara. You do have duplicate audio controls and Bluetooth controls that you can stream straight to your stereo. Again, audio controls on the back of the steering wheel as well. Fog lamps, of course. Premium audio. Of course, air conditioning. Power mirrors. You do have heated seats with this one. Awesome feature, love that. You do have your automatic transmission with your Tiptronic feature there. A 150 watt, 115 volt power plug here. You have your oversized center console, electrochromatic rear view mirror, so that'll shade if anything ever is tall enough to get behind you and blind you. This one, again, top of the line Sahara package. This is the 13, which means you're going to get that 3.6 liter engine, which is the one everybody wants. Very powerful and very different than your 11 and olders. Don't overlook that while you're looking at Jeeps. This one does have the 3.6 liter. And at City Motors, of course, we have a 6-month, 6,000-mile warranty on our Jeeps. We have no processing fees. That's a huge deal. Don't get blindsided by these stupid fees that these stupid dealers are charging. Don't get blindsided by fees. No fees here. Call us or text us anytime at 540-433-7335. Don't miss this one, guys. We hope to see you soon. Thanks for stopping by.